Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome. And I have some empties and I have some friend mail. So I still have a couple pieces of Christmas mail that have been coming in. So I want to open that, and then I have a couple of empties to show you. Just some, anyway, let's just go on and we'll get it going. Okay, so I got this lovely postcard from Janet. Janet is just a lovely lady, and it's just a thank you postcard. It's a nice snowman thank you. And she just says, hey, hey Mary and all that, and thank you and love you. Okay, so I don't really want to read what she has to say, but that's from her. And then I have a card from Cece, from Cece's Trial Size Life. And anybody with a channel, I will put in the description. Janet does not have a channel. So this is from Cece, and we've got addresses on here. So I'll show you, let me see if I can show you really quick that cute sticker there. And then on the back, there's some cute kitty stickers, snowman, well not snowman, but Christmas kitty stickers, and Smudge is right here and throws me off. And I've had a couple of these cards for a little while, and I just haven't had time to show them. So I do apologize for that. Oh, this is so cute. Cece loves Grogu. This says Season's Greetings. And there he is as an elf. And this is got a little, the card got split in the, you coming up, Smudge? It got a little split in the mail, but that's okay. It's still all intact. This is a Star Wars card from Hallmark. So thank you so much, Cece. That's adorable. It says, Mary, may you find your way to every tasty treat all holiday long. I did. I ate my way through Christmas, y'all. I really did. Wishing you, Smudge and Blue, a wonderful Christmas and a Happy New Year. Love you, Cece. Thank you so much, Cece. And look at these pretty stickers. She's got some little teapots and kitty skating and kitty reindeer and all this cute. Thank you, Cece. That's so cute. I love it. Are you coming up, Smudge? And she sent me a sheet mask. So this is, let me show it to you right quick, and then I'll read what it says. It says Fantasy by Mask Bar Polar Bear Nourishing Sheet Mask. Oh, and it's a face. It's aloe juice and witch hazel water, and it's a polar bear face. So I'll be doing that soon. I love doing the sheet masks, and especially character mask is a lot of fun. So I'll be doing that soon. Thank you, Cece. I love it. Thank you. I think Smudge is up to no good again. Yep, there he is. Okay, I could hear him back there. And next I have a card from, I have more cards from subscribers. This is from Miss Betty Vick. And this is very beautiful on the back. This says, love is patient, love is kind, it hopes all things and endures all things. Hey, Smudge. And Betty put beads. There are beads all around this. I don't know how it got through the mail. You coming up, Smudge? And it says, this is not a mail Morider, is just me sealing the envelope too soon. Okay, so she had trouble. I do this sometimes too, and I have to reopen and what have you. Smudge, you want to come up? And on the front it says, oh, that's so cute. What Smudge sees in the mirror. And it is a lion. Isn't that cute? Yes, that's my Smudge. He does. He thinks he's the grandest. Okay, right, Smudge? Right, Smudge? Okay, let me get this card out. And let's see. Oh, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful Christmas scene. It says, Supplilumus dozes while the family finishes decorating the fireplace. Okay, that is the kitty cat, as you can see. Oh, there's things in here. So, okay, there it is. Now, let me see what this says, because Betty sometimes sends me personal private things, and I think she did that. She sent me some pictures. So let me see. Dear Mary, I hope this season's greetings, you have a very peaceful Christmas. Love sent to you and Smudge and Blue. Betty Vick. I had to reopen the envelope because I forgot to include. Okay. She's included some pictures of her fur babies. Hey, Smudge. So I don't have permission to show them, but oh, they're so pretty. Oh, she's got a nice family of fur babies. Okay, Smudge, are you smelling the fur? The fur babies? Probably. All right, let's move over this way. And then we have, oh, I love that, Betty. I will be looking at those in just a few minutes. And then we have a card from Smudge. I have a card from dear friend Terry, and Terry has a channel. She doesn't post very often, but she does post, and all of her postings are just so inspirational. And it's Terry's Inspirational World. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. So I will put her in the description. I showed the back of the envelope, and there's some customs information on here, so I will cut that part out. And let me show you the card. And there is something else in here. It says, "To fantastic neighbors, especially for you." This is so pretty. This is a bear, a cute little bear family. Look at how pretty that is. On Christmas morning under the tree, opening their gifts. And this is raised here. And look at that wonderful red glitter, sparkly. So cute. Thank you, Terry. Terry is overseas in England. So it says, "At this special time of year, this greeting comes to you to wish you lots of happiness that lasts the whole year through. Dear beautiful Mary, I hope you have a wonderfully blessed and happy, healthy holiday season and a prosperous new year in 2023. Love you so much. Thank you for being you. I appreciate you. Terry and James, XOXOXO." And James is Terry's son. And that is just the cutest card. I love that. This is heavy, Terry, so this cost her some money to mail it to me. And she sent me this lovely package. Let me see what it is. It's Garnier Skin Active 2 masks. Okay, so this is a self-heating sauna mask. Eucalyptus extract and zinc and salicylic acid. Skin feels purified for up to 7 days, and it works in 3 minutes, it says. So there's actually 2 doses in here. There's a package here, and then here you can break it, and then here's another package. So that is going to be fun to do, Terry. Thank you. I'm excited to try that. All the way from England. Yay! Thank you, Terry. That was so sweet of you. I also wanted to show you all some things that I have that I'm rotating out. It's not quite my full empties bin, but before I do, I'll show you a item for the advent calendar for the treasure hunt. This is the ColourPop Luxe Lippy. This is let me see exactly what it is. So here's somebody gunning through the neighborhood. That doesn't happen very often here. Did you see this beautiful packaging, by the way? It's gorgeous. And this is it. It is a lip gloss. It is, it has a bit of a color to it, you know, but I don't think you're going to see that color on your lips. I think it's going to be just a shine, a nice, you know, over gloss, and it has a sparkle to it, a very fine sparkle to it. And that is it. It's beautiful. I got that in my, in my Busy Beauty mystery box that I got. I got it with the palette, and I love the palette, but I have so many glosses. So that is that. I have these mascaras that I'm moving out. And I will tell you this, y'all. I bought this accidentally. I thought it was mascara. This is KVB, I'm sorry, Kate Von, whatever, what's her name? Kate, whatever. But anyway, she's not involved anymore. But KVB Epic Curl. I thought this was eyeshadow. I mean, mascara, which I love mascaras. I'll always buy mascaras. But it's not. It is the lash primer. And I don't like it. And that is my story, and I'm sticking to it. It's not the fault of the product. I don't like any lash primer. I've tried and tried, and I just don't like it. It looks like a nice lash primer, but I don't, and I like that wand actually, but I just don't like a primer. Gotta say, I probably should use it, but I don't. I'm thinking I was gonna toss it out, but now that I'm looking at it again, I may give it another try. Okay, I have the Eyescream Beauty mascara. This came, I don't remember it. I want to say this came in Ipsy, but this is very, very nice. I like the Eyescream products very much. This is a nice wand, a nice plain wand. I like that. And it's been really good to me, but it's getting old now, so out it goes. This is, what is the Ico brand? I don't love this. This is called the Fat Brush Mascara Big and Bold. I like their eyeliners. I don't think I like their mascaras. And not to say, you know, if I was alone on an island, this would be just fine, but it's just not my favorite. But I did use it for a while. I like this big wand. I do. But as far as being fat big and bold? No, it's not. It's just plain old everyday mascara. No biggie to me, okay? And this one here is one of my favorites. I've only ever gotten this once ever in my boxes, once ever, and I don't remember where I got it. I want to say I might have got it from the New Beauty, the Test Tube Beauty, possibly. This is the brand Be a 10. You know, they do a lot of hair care, and this is the coolest mascara ever, and I really am upset that I have to get rid of it, but I've had it a long time now. This is it here. The wand, and when I first saw the wand, I'm like, I'm not going to like that, but I do like the wand. The mascara itself is fantastic. And here's the best part. The best part is this. Look at that. Get your lower lashes, get, you know, on the side here. Fabulous, loved it. Old, got to get rid of it, okay? And I want to show you this because I just got to show you this. This is Item Beauty. This is a concealer, and I like the concealer, but the packaging is way off. Item Beauty, if you are listening, this is shade number 110, and it is very, very nice as far as concealers go. Here, you know, it's very nice. I'm getting rid of it because I can't take it anymore. There's probably a good bit still in there, but look at this. It's a freaking mess. A freaking mess. Look at that. Can you see how messy that is? I did this on purpose. All right, see, I just pushed that in there and all this squirts out. I keep my makeup clean. Normally I would wipe this off and everything, but I did this for a few days so you could see how awful messy this is. This is a silver top with orange. Can you see the silver? Can you see all the makeup that's outside? That's because when I close it, it squeezes out of there. It's the craziest thing. This wand is entirely giant, entirely too big for what you need, entirely too big. The product itself is great. There's the product itself. Works fine, does a great job. It conceals like it's supposed to, but it's so hard to work with this container. And then you put it in and it comes flying out at you. And I've been using it a good while, and still look at it's squeezed all out. Ugh, can't take it. Can't take it anymore. I wanted you to see that. Anyway, that is my video today. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for stopping by, seeing my friend mail and seeing what mascaras I've been through. And I hope that y'all are having a great day, evening, whatever it is, and count your blessings. Bye-bye.